You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. I know they look very similar, but yes, they have a very different meaning and different pronunciations. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations like this in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Top word here is pronounced status in British English, or status in American English, status. Now, the bottom word are what you see in museum, statues. Statues. One statue. Yes, it's a ch sound, all right? It's not statues. Statues. One statue. Several statues. That's the plural. So, status, statues. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.